How to log into HDFC NetBanking for the first time. First of all, open your browser and visit the official HDFC Bank website at www.hdfcbank.com. On the home page, click the login button located at the top right corner and select NetBanking. Next, enter your customer ID in the provided field. This ID is given to you when you open your HDFC Bank account or during your net banking registration. After entering your customer ID, click Continue. You will then be prompted to enter your IPIN, which is your net banking password created during the registration process. Make sure to enter your IPIN carefully to avoid login errors. If you are logging in for the first time, you might be asked to change your IPIN to a new password for better security. Once logged in, you will have full access to your account dashboard where you can check your balance, view statements, transfer funds, pay bills, and use other banking services online. Always remember to log out properly after finishing your session to keep your account secure. And that's it. Now you know how to log into HDFC NetBanking for the first time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.